Ireland's heroine and women's sporting icon.
Oh, that's a cracking right hand she has there.
Wow!
You're talking about the best female boxer that ever lived.
Katie Taylor is the champion of the Olympic Games.
You know, what's gone on with her life, that's something we really have talked about.
There wasn't a day where I didn't wake up thinking about the Olympics.
Women's boxing at the time wasn't even allowed in the country. I had to pretend to be a boy to get fights.
Pete was the sort of glue that held Katie together.
We're like best friends, to tell you the truth.
Rio Olympics around the corner and she was expected to win the gold medal again.
Can't wait for Katie to win gold for Ireland.
So only a few months out from the Olympics, the relationship between Katie and my dad started to become a bit more fractured.
My dad was no longer someone who I could work with, really.
The trust was broken.
No club, no coach, and getting ready for the Olympic Games.
She's beaten. Katie Taylor is beaten and out of the Olympic Games.
Katie, give me your reaction.
It was just such a drop that it had to be something traumatic that happened to her.
The Katie Taylor that we've seen in the ring is not the same Katie Taylor I know.
Is there more in Katie Taylor?
I knew that wasn't the end of my career.
Katie Taylor has signed a professional contract.
She's still fighting to get recognition.
I believe she's not prepared for what is coming on Saturday.
Can she win a world title?
I'm going to go all the way to the very top.
This is where we find out a lot about Katie Taylor.
It's Katie Taylor!